Hello everyone, it's Mr. Downs here, and I am going to show you about a fantastic game that is on Purple Mash that you can play to really improve your math skills, and you can also have a go at playing against your friends. Okay, now it's called 2 Race. So if I'm on my home screen, and this is Oliver Twist here, he's shown us something before. And I go to my search bar and I put in 2 Race, and it comes up here. This is the one I'm looking for over here. I'll click on 2 Race, and down here it's got all sorts of different ways that I can practice. So I can practice my addition and subtraction, my multiplication and division, one less, one more, number bonds, comparing numbers, and odd and even numbers. Now these questions can be as hard as you want them to, or as simple as you want. It's for you to decide on what you want to practice. So I'm going to have a go at practicing my number bonds, because I know that I need some practice with my number bonds to 20 to make sure I'm really confident with them. So if I click on here, then it brings up this screen, and I can choose my racer. And I think I'm going to be the rocket, and I'm racing against all these other people to see who's the best. So once I've done that, I can click I'm ready, and it takes me to this game. So now it gives me a question I have to try and answer it. So something I'd want is 20, that's 19, something that's 2 and 8 is 20, 7, 1 and 19, 1 and 19 is 20, 1 and 19 is 20, 79 and 3 is 20, 4 and 16, now I'm going against the lower things now, just get all the questions right, and if you can see, my rocket is now getting a lot faster, it's really starting to speed around that planet there, and soon enough, I'm going to overtake all those other people as well. It's a tricky one, and it needs 10. You can see my rocket slowed down now, really slowed down. Now it's like person's catching up here, so I'm going to start to get some right. So you can get some right after that, really start to speed up a lot faster, and hopefully get all the questions right in the race. So I'm doing quite well here. It's taking me up towards the ending. So we're going to come out of that room, and obviously there's lots of different ones you can play on there. So you could go on multiplication, division, and test out all sorts of times table skills, even going up to multiplication with the 13, 14 and 15 times tables, which would be quite tricky. But if I just want to play on 2 Race itself, I can create my own game. So if I go on 2 Race, I'll open it up. They ask me to join a room to enter a race. Now these are only people on our Purple Mash, so only people in our school. Okay, so if I'm going to go on to play, there's no rooms there at the minute because no one's made a room for me to play in. So I think I'm going to make one myself. So if I create my own room, I'm going to decide what it's about. I'm going to make it about, I want it to be times tables practice that we're doing. I'm going to make it so those times tables are, well, I need to practice my 6 and 7, so I'm going to do that one. And I can do them just normal calculations, for example 6 times 2 equals 12, or I can do mixture, something times 6 equals 12, for example. And then it gives me what it's going to look like, so I've got an idea. Now I've just played the rocket race. I think I'm going to make mine a snail race instead, so I'm racing snails there. Okay, and then I'm going to click play now. Now my room is open, and if my friends or anyone in my class is logged in at the same time, alright, then they will be able to go and find your room and click on it, and it will bring them to this screen, and you'll see them log on here for you to challenge against them. So I'm just going to click that I'm ready, and if there's no one in there, it's going to let me race anyway. So now I've got to go at this one here. Oh, they're going a little bit slower on these ones. Oh, that's a tricky one, that one. So then you'd be able to play that race again against the same people. It might have been your friends or someone who's been able to log in and play against you. Or you can exit and have a go creating a different room for other people to play on. Or if someone else has made a room, when you log in, you will see it here. And you can click on it and get started. Okay? I hope you have a really good go at that. And I hope you enjoy it. My class really, really enjoy it. They think it's great. Okay. Speak to you later. Bye.